Tonight I'm basically setting up I'm making a little bench for my mother-in-law, and what I'd like to do is basically, I don't want to MIG weld tonight because it's late and I don't have my garage door full open and all kinds of things happening. So I'm going to use my TIG welder and just tack it all together. I'm not a good TIG welder, I'm not an expert at it, but any excuse to use it, well. So I'm not going to be TIG welding the whole weld, I'm not going to be close-up welding. I'm just going to be basically doing small little tacks to hold it together and see if I get it right. Hopefully the tacks I do, basically I'm just going to burn the two steels together. I got my gloves this time, my sleeves, got my helmet, and I got my gloves this time. So hope you enjoy this boring session of lights going off and on. But yeah, I'm basically, you'll see in a second that I have it all kind of framed up and, well, you'll see. Hello again, YouTube. Hopefully this works. Got my gloves, helmet. I'm not an expert TIG welder, so bear with me. I'm not an expert or anything really, just like doing stuff. Enjoy. Yeah, so basically I'm making two of these. I'm tack welding using my TIG, and then later tomorrow or this weekend I'll go through it with a MIG and run over it. I know I didn't scrape it all off. I know you're supposed to clean it super well and stuff, but I'm not going for perfection. I'm just going for a tack weld to hold it together. That's all I want right now. So anybody on YouTube can criticize me all you want, but I'm not a professional TIG welder, and well, one day when I take a professional TIG welding course, I will. But for now, all I want to do is tack weld it. Anyway, my whole plan was to do this. I don't know if you can see it, but I just want to tack weld it together, get a nice little frame. And I got two of them. What I'm gonna do is make a third one, but I'm missing one piece of metal right now, so I will. Oh, that humming is my welding machine behind me. Hello YouTube, it's me again. I don't have the middle bar in this one. I'm going to cut out later and weld it in, but I just thought I'd do another short video of me tack welding this thing in place. The humming noise is this machine right here. What do I have here? I have an old Lincoln Precision TIG 185. Big machine, bought it cheap. Not no electronic, apparently it's all analog, and my Lincoln dealer says this thing will probably outlast every electronic Lincoln on earth, since it's all, I don't know. I don't know anything about welding machines. Anyway, things like this, got this one, and this one home. I'm going to mock it all up, tack weld it all together. When I get it all straight and done, I'll MIG weld it all together. I'm going to put bottom tabs on here. And also on the top here, this is the top part, I'm going to run around, put a little round bar, because if there's kids involved, I don't want anybody busting an eyeball on this thing. So anyway, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, that's for me. Thanks for watching, and hope you watch the rest of this video.